Opening a bank account in Malta as an expat is a streamlined process if you follow these steps. First, research the local banks such as Bank of Valletta or HSBC Malta to determine which suits your needs best. Once chosen, prepare the necessary documents, including a valid passport, proof of address, and employment or income verification. Some banks may also require a tax identification number. Next, visit the bank branch in person. While some banks allow online applications, a physical visit often simplifies the process, especially for expats unfamiliar with local regulations. During your visit, complete the account application form and provide the necessary documentation. Be prepared for a brief interview where bank representatives may ask about your financial background and purpose of the account. After approval, you'll receive your account details, including IBAN and online banking access. To manage your account efficiently, consider setting up online banking for easy transactions. Regularly monitor your account statements and transactions to stay on top of your finances. Need financial help? WhatsApp me +336 5294 5861. Instagram in bio.